Finally, here in December, we have an updated packaging for Ekopel 2K to show you. Now we're going to be including a foam roller and a scooper versus the comb and spreader of the old system. This is now available on our website at refinishedbathproducts.com. And also it will be available on Amazon either Monday or Tuesday. We're just trying to sell out the stock that's already there so that it's not too confusing. But if you do get one of the old kits that has a comb and a yellow spreader in it, you can still easily do the same process as our previous videos and or just pick up a foam roller. But as of this week, they're discontinued. So I think we have about 25 to 50 units left in stock at Amazon that have the old layout, and they'll be the new stock's already been shipped, so it's going to be commingled with the last couple of them. So some orders may still get the old comb and spreader model, but this is what it's all getting transferred to now. And let me show you the packaging and some of the tools inside. So of course you're going to get the part A and the part B the same as we used to do. We finally got a foam roller that was sized for us. This is custom made to fit with our original Refinished roller head. It will fit on this smaller frame, which fits in the packaging properly so that we don't have to charge extra to ship the units. So versus the comb can leave streaking in the finish afterwards. That's why for the last 6 months, if you paid attention to our videos, we've been using these exclusively anyways. And then the fry scoop idea is geared towards preventing making a big mess. It's a lot easier to scoop up most of the extra material in 2 or 3 passes instead of scooping and scooping and scooping with the yellow trowel spreader. So it's something that we picked up, and we think it's going to be very useful for you. Tomorrow I am going to release a new video showing, it's going to be about 10 minutes long. It will show the entire updated install process with the new tools, and that video is going to be very quick. I'm going to touch on cleaning, I'm going to touch on application, each of the tools, and I'm just going to do just a quick little blurb of each thing, mixing everything involved. This is just going to help you guys for a quick reference, and I'm also going to post the following day or a couple days later. I'm just going to show the entire uncut video of that tub coating process. So if you want to make sure you didn't miss any steps, or the first time that you learn about the project, you can watch the full video showing every single step, me talking the entire time. You guys have specifically told me you're not interested in listening to the music behind it. You want me to explain everything I do, and I will do that. We have several more line items and stuff that are going to be big major updates coming in the next week or two. But for now, if you can hit the thumbs up and comment below if you have any questions. Tune back in tomorrow to see the quick demo of how to use the new kit, the December update, and the next day for the full-on video unedited of it. And yeah, stay tuned. Follow us on social at Refinished Bath Solutions for the big updates that are going to be coming in the next week or two. Thank you, and you guys have a great day.